guys, welcome back to another edition of bel-AIR Mail.
Today, it's special because it's May the 4th.
That is Star Wars Day.
May the 4th be with you.
Some new stickers in the mail from a new friend, and it's from Rogue Squad Garage. And it's a pretty cool channel. Go check it out. This guy has a camper. It's called the New Hope Camper. And it has a Millennium Falcon room in it. All kinds of cool stuff. He has a R2 barbecue that he made, and he's got some speeder bike. Looks like a junior and adult speeder bike projects. So that's a really fun channel. Wrenching on stuff, making cool stuff. And needs to go up on the board. Got a good spot up there?
Yup. Let's put them on the board.
Here you go.
Go check out Rogue Squad Garage.
See you next time, guys.